Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got a NOKIA C32 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the app with the keyboard. So for example, the messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen, just like I have. And then all we have to do is to tap on this settings icon. Now let's tap on the languages, and as you can see, this is the list of currently added languages. We've got only one. So let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So as you can see, this list is so wide. I'm pretty sure that you will find the language you want to use. If you don't want to scroll, just tap on the search icon and type the name of the language. And tap on it whenever you will find it, and let me quickly find the order one. Let's tap on it. Sometimes you will be able to pick the region, of course, so just tap on the one you'd like to use. And here we've got the keyboard types, and basically it depends on the language, of course. Sometimes you will have only one keyboard type, and sometimes you will be able to pick from even up to 7 different or even more, I don't know, different keyboard layouts from which are available. I only saw the maximum seven different types. All right, so let's pretend I want to use this one. It is graphical one, so I will be able to show you the differences between the keyboards. So if I want to use this one, I have to mark it. So let's tap on it, and let me untick this option because I only want to use one layout. So let's tap on Done. And as you can see, the order language has been applied. So let's go back to the keyboard and check the changes. We will have 2. Currently, only one is visible. It is the language key. So we can freely change the language, the keyboard type, just by tapping on this globe icon. You can see that I can use the order language. And right now we can also see the second difference, the spacebar. It is not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using, so that's quite cool. You can always check. So basically this is how to add the language to the keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you don't want to have two different languages added, you just want to have one. So let's enter the settings again. Here, let's tap on the languages, and of course you can do this step before you will get back to the keyboard, so you will be able to do it immediately. After adding the language you want to use, simply tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner and mark the language which was previously applied and which you want to remove right now. Unfortunately, in my case, it will be Urdu again. So let me mark it and tap on this trash bin icon. We've got only English left, or in your case, the language you want to use. And after getting back to the keyboard, you can see that first of all, the spacebar is empty, and secondly, we do not have the globe icon, so we cannot change the keyboard type, and it simply means that we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that would be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.